Islington, a place of rich history, hidden gems and captivating stories. But did you know its roots trace back to the Saxons and beyond? From ancient manors to Victorian theatres and the longest escalator on the London Underground, Islington's history is full of surprises. I'm Marius, and today we're uncovering the fascinating past and vibrant present of this iconic London district.
Islington's story begins with the Saxons, who called it Giseldone, meaning Gisela's Hill. Over centuries, the name evolved, becoming Islington and eventually Islington by the 17th century. The manor of Islington served as a centre of rural life, with grand medieval homes like Canonbury and Highbury Manor standing as symbols of its prominence. By the 14th century, Islington had grown into a key hub for travellers along the Great North Road. Islington played a critical role in supplying London with water. The New River, an ambitious 17th century project by Sir Hugh Middleton, brought fresh water to the growing city. The canal systems, like the Regent's Canal built in 1820, connected Islington to London's booming trade network, though the tunnels posed unique challenges for barge operators. By the 18th century, Islington became a hotspot for entertainment. Alehouses, music halls and pleasure gardens offered everything from archery and billiards to firework displays and balloon ascents. The legendary Collins's Music Hall, founded in 1862, hosted stars of the day, while the King's Head Tavern has stood as a cultural icon since 1543. Modern Islington blends the old and new. Angel Station boasts the longest escalator on the London Underground, famously skied down by a Norwegian daredevil in 2006. From urban decline in the mid-20th century to its gentrification in the 1960s, Islington's transformation reflects London's resilience and reinvention. Today, it's a diverse district celebrated for its history, culture and charm.
Islington's history is a journey through time, from Saxon roots to its vibrant modern-day identity. Whether you're exploring its historic landmarks, enjoying its theatres, or just riding the escalator at Angel, this district has something for everyone. What's your favourite Islington memory? Share it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more stories of London's incredible history.